Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover is Dangerous, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wang Yuner at this moment. I always feels like I know something and this sentence is like some kind of reminder. But there's a lot of things are bothering to her right now. Well, look at her face. She seems to be agitated. But for old Chancy, she was staring at hers. Seems like she would really go through the fire and water for me. Old Chancy said to herself, well, she's really believing on her. No, this is not the time to think about that. I have something I must do, Old Chancy said to her. Still, Wang Yuner's face, she was blushing. Probably she got really shy. She moved closer to Old Shensi. Yes, now, it's start today. Go back to your room and rest early. Okay, you should go to bed early. We will go back tomorrow morning. Since the two of them are going back early in the morning, right now, Young Yuner, she need to go back tonight. She need to investigate what happened, the fire accident. Hopefully, I can gain something. No, Wang Yuner said to herself. Still, it was still Vern. Everything seems to be turning to rubble. But the house, it is really kept well. Well, definitely, someone was turning on the lights. Now, they added the kerosene. It seems that the person was the old lady. Could it be that she's the one who's maintaining the lights? Well, she must be right. But suddenly, someone, there's a loud noise on the fog. Could it be that? Well, let's see if Grandma will really notice her. Now, Grandma, when she looked back, she can see that Wang Yuner, she has been also there. Grandma, when she looked back, she looking forward, but of course, now there's a lot of things need to consider. Well, where is it? Right now, Wang Yuner, she seems to be agitated. Well, let's hope it really will happen. But the grandma said, little girl, she was pertaining to Shangyi that she was only a kid. Well, at this moment, you can also try about it. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. What are you doing here? The old lady was asking her. Well, probably she really feels lost, that's why Grandma was calling her. What are you doing here? Wang Yuner. Hello, Auntie. I'm here to look for my earrings. Now, look at her. She become tricky. Now, she really laid out a proper alibi for the two of them. Are you Miss Lee's friend? During the day, I saw her bringing someone here from afar. Is that you? The old grandma said to her, are you Miss Lee's friend? Well, it turns out these earnings means a lot to me. I must find them. Now, look at her. She really look confused and also let's hope that she can really find her earrings. Now, look at her. She seems to be getting smarter. Don't worry, girl. I'll help you to find it. Don't worry. Thank you, Auntie. Wang Yuner said to the old lady. Well, this thing is, she really have a lot of stash. During the day, I noticed that there was also a lamp that was always on, which means that there must be someone who taking care of it, which meant that there must be. But Wang Yuner said, luckily, I actually ran into him. Well, it seems that she was really great. Also, she's been considerate about the feelings of the other, not. Wang Yuner said, it was crowded here. I don't know if I can find it. Even though this place is ruins now, I used to be the most powerful imposing building of the O family. Well, she was right, but right now, looking at her, 10 years is either long or not. Now, Wang Yunus said to her, 10 years is neither long nor short. After, but suddenly, look at her. She seems to be in shock. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. 10 years is neither long or short, but it must be your hard work that allows you to stay here. It's okay, just. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Even though the grandma, she seems to be worried about this. Alas, the waters far are so cruel. Although I have never experienced it, I can help it out but feel a little scared with these scenes. Now, it really makes sense, right? If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who says it's not true? If I hadn't run fast that night, I wouldn't be handful of ashes right now, Grandma said to them. Now, looking at it, Wang Yunus said, You mean, you were in this building when the fires happened? Wang Yunus said to herself, You must be, were in this building. The fire happened. Did you notice anything unusual that time? It seems that Grandma, she knows everything, but also, did you notice anything unusual on that time? Well, it seems that she was really having fun. Wang Yunus said, it's not limited to the day. It's peaceful during that time. Now, she was thinking again. Although the people, they might really confuse that. When you say it, I remember something unusual. Grandma said to her, Now, look at her. She looks really sad. And also, she really wanted to protect herself. Wang Yunus suddenly, she felt really surprised and said, What? At this moment, who could it be? It seems that everything is fake inside. Well, it must really devastating, right? A day or two before the fire, I saw Miss O and Mr. O's piano teachers arguing. Oh, it turns out someone is having an argument that time. Well, after hearing that, of course, right now, Wang Yuner said to herself that Sissy is with her cousin at that time. When the fire break out, well, looking at the grandma, aren't they very good friends? Alas, that piano teacher was very nice person, but unfortunately, she also died on the fire. Well, what happened at that time? After hearing that, right now, look at her. She was really going to cry. Auntie, did you hear what they were arguing about? So it turns out, oh Chancy, she kept a secret for her. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.